you guys out. Let me pull you guys out and show you guys up close. So there's the pepperoni.
Burnt cheese.
There's the supreme. There's our fries. Fries don't look delicious, but are delicious. And there's our salad. Just so you guys can taste it. I'm not gonna lie. I'm kind of bloated.
Oh, I'm 100% bloated. Like I'm so
Love Jenny.
bloated.
What about me? But what about me? So I'll cheers by myself. Fireball cheers.
Cheers, guys. Cheers, Blake.
Ooh.
What
Let's get this started.
Yeah, let me open it with you so I can see the comments.
All right. So you got 4 pizzas.
Yes.
You got 2 pepperoni and 2 supreme. So these 2, 3, 4 are yours, and I'll
Okay.
do the rest.
Sounds good.
All right. What's up, guys? It's Saturday night pizza salad fries time. Let's go. All right, we nailed it.
Oh,
Let's
yeah.
not even.
Oh. Almost.
And she's sober. Let's not even try to redo it after that.
No.
These, don't forget, these are on cardboard. So
Okay, don't eat the cardboard, basically.
yeah, that's what I was saying.
Okay, so I'll hold the pepperoni then. Guys,
There we go. Oh, we could just take the pizza off. Is it too hot?
It's pretty warm.
Oh, it's hot. That's steaming. Yeah.
Okay, I'll just hold it here.
No, you gotta bite it though.
I will.
Huh? All right, I'll hold Jenny's up.
Oh, I can't see. Oh, don't drop.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Mmm.
Okay, look.
How's the night been? Every day of my life flies by so fast. Let me give you the rundown of my day. I'll give you guys the rundown. Oh, here's the fries, by the way. Here's the fries.
A salad.
Here's the salad.
Yeah.
As you guys know, if you were in here last night, we were extremely inebriated. As we are many Friday, Saturday nights.
Yeah, but this one in particular was like,
We were pretty drunk last night.
no, it was bad. It was really bad.
So, I got up at like 11, 10 after 11, just to finish my Instagram post and get it out. I did some work in the Blake Diet group after that for an hour or 2. And then I went for
Oh, thank you. You guys are so sweet.
I went for a quick bike ride. And my quick bike ride, because it was cold outside, and I'm like,
Oh.
what up, Joey? I'm like, it's cold out, let me go for a quick bike ride. The next thing I know, I stopped to talk to like so many, I was out there for 3 hours, maybe
Oh
more.
my God. It was cold.
I stopped to talk to various groups of kids.
We'll be riding them on.
Some of them are in here. I hope none of them are in here riding tomorrow.
It's late.
Yeah. I wish I was asleep right now. Various groups of kids about riding tomorrow and different things. I stopped to talk to Felicia, who's knitting something. I stopped for Denise. Mark. This guy, Mark, he might be watching. He's an artist. Mark Oberendorf.
Bye, Felicia.
So he sees me and he's like, this guy, I've passed this guy 5 years on the bike path. We passed opposite directions. We used to high five each other. I'm like, this guy is Looney Tunes, right? He's always looking up at the sky and just swerving and not paying any attention. Turns out, he's a famous artist, and he's always looking up at the sky for inspiration. And like, I saw him today. He's like, dude, this is the perfect sky. This is the perfect sky.
That's awesome.
He's like, do you see that purple? You see that? He's like, and then he's like, you know what? He's like, I truly believe I see nature better than anybody else in this world. I'm like,
No.
as you should. You're an artist. You should.
That's deep.
And no, but it's if you're doing something as an occupation, I truly believe I'm way better at intermittent fasting and flexible diet than anybody else in the world. And
This is true though.
whether that's right or wrong, that's what you need to believe, or you can't be the best. You can't.
Yeah.
But I truly believe that. I think I am.
What's up, Nacho Man?
As you can see, there's some supporting evidence to back it up every night regarding food, alcohol, and other things. But, so I stopped talking to Mark, I stopped talking to so many people. Oh. Random people who were like, you're not cold out here.
Here we go with that one.
I was riding in the woods.
What's the weather gonna be tomorrow?
Tomorrow's going to be much warmer.
Oh, good. I was gonna say I have to wear like a million layers.
I was riding in the woods. I was having a good time. Oh, and then at the end, I stopped for a half hour to talk to my neighbor down the street, Sal. He was with one of his buddies. He's in his 40s, mid 40s, maybe older, because he's got kids that were like 18-ish, I believe. Anyway, so his buddy's like, is that a PK Ripper? Asking about my bike. I'm like, how did you know that? Because it says nothing on, like I was on the beast mode. He's like, I saw the loop tail in the welds.
Red
Yeah.
the wells.
Yeah. He's like, I saw the loop tail in the welds. And I'm like, yeah. So we started talking about bikes, and then we started talking about the Blake diet and everything else. So
Oh, thank you. Yes, I am Dominican. Woo-hoo.
I was out there forever. Got back to work on the Blake diet thing. Took a quick nap. Went out for my buddy Ryan's birthday.
Met me there. I met him there. Huh.
Jenny met me there. Quickly went food shopping. Now we're here. Tomorrow we are riding. We're meeting up with my boys, RRD Blocks and
What's
Mohammed
up,
Blocks.
guys?
Maybe some more people. A bunch more people from Jersey. We're going to get a bunch of us together to ride in Jersey tomorrow.
Which should be very, very fun, especially if it's gonna be warmer.
Yeah. Hopefully with minimal issues from or police or police giving us shit for riding because we're gonna be hitting the streets.
Should be interesting.
So I was just saying, every day of my life is just like go,
It's gonna be my
go.
first Jersey ride out.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it is.
No.
So always super busy. I blink the days. I wake up, I blink the days over.
And it's time to eat.
And it's yeah. I wake up, I blink the days over. It's time to eat. And sometimes I don't even feel like doing it. I'm just like, damn.
58 tomorrow in Jersey. That's not warm enough.
These kids before earlier told me it's gonna be 80. I'm like, there's no
80?
way.
I wish.
There's no way. They're like, yeah, I think so. 58's warmer than today.
So, I'll be there with like looking like an Eskimo. I don't care.
It could be worse. It's going to be worse. Like, I knew it was cold today because I had a bunch of screaming reactions from little kids and adults. Some just stop. Yo, how are you not cold? How are you out here right now? How long you been doing this? Like, I saw Geneva in the park. She said hi.
Oh, yay, Geneva.
Hi, Geneva.
Hi.
She's with two little girls who He's like, remember I showed you his videos? And I'm trying to explain to his little girl, so I eat shirtless on the internet in a bow tie. I'm like,
You're wearing a bow tie tomorrow too, right?
Drinking again, yes. Drunk, no.
Yeah, I didn't drink today. I had enough yesterday for like a lifetime, I feel.
I got to be up early tomorrow, so I was responsible and didn't get smashed tonight. If we weren't doing this ride tomorrow, yeah, I would be smashed right now.
Yeah, I'd probably be drinking. Maybe. No. I drank a lot yesterday. I decided to chill out today. Tiny, no, I'm big. I'm big.
Jenny was hammered last night.
Oh, but
She wanted donuts from McDonald's.
anyways.
I was like, let's get McDonald's. I was calling different places, and she just started mixing the places together. And she's like, yeah, let's get McDonald's donuts. And let's go. And she wanted a croissant, and they don't have croissants.
Oh, okay.
And then McDonald's was closed to begin with. It was like 3:30 a.m.
Just bad.
We got to McDonald's at 3:30. They were closed. The guy in front of us was more pissed than us. I just drove to Wendy's. I was just... The guy in front of us just like peeled out. He's like revving his engine. Pissed. I'm just like, oh, let's just go to Wendy's.
Yo, that's right. I do remember that. Oh, man.
She was very funny to watch, Munchkin. Yeah.
It was bad. It was really bad. I don't even want to watch the stream. I know I have to, but I don't want to.
I just published it and started watching it. I'm like, I can't watch this. When you start watching yourself and all your words are just freaking slurred, you're just like, all right. I'm gonna leave this up for the fans, but me personally,
Yeah.
I can't watch this. And it's, you know what's so funny? When I'm sober, I feel like I get more comments than when I'm smashed. Like, when I'm sober, I feel like I get more like, this guy's so drunk. He's so fucked up right now. I'm just sober having a good time. You need some of this food? This food is good. This is good. This is actually keto pizza. We're testing out right now. What's up, LJ?
Hey, LJ. Woo. What's up?
LJ, how was your night?
What are you having for dinner?
LJ, how many meals does Hannah have? Just curious.
She's not doing that, is she?
I just wanted a number of meals.
Oh, okay.
I know she's not doing the Blake diet unless I'm wrong, but how many meals does she have personally?
Harris lost 60 pounds. Oh, his bro lost 60 pounds.
Your brother lost 60 pounds for my diet?
Wow. Oh, I thank you.
Awesome.
That is good stuff. Congrats. Man.
All right, that is awesome. You Russian understand. I am not Russian. I understand Pogihale. Just got off work, just washing dishes, last 6 hours. Had to actually, okay.
She what? I can't hear from me. I can't see. No, you don't.
Actually skipped breakfast. I'll read the full comment later, but
Okay.
I figured, LJ. I'm like,
I figured she's definitely not having breakfast after knowing everything.
here's what I figured. I'm like, I would see it in your posts if she was doing the Blake diet. But I'm like, you guys have been together for a while. You've been doing it for a while. I'm like, she's had to pick up at least something. At least, at least something. And I was right. That's what I figured. They're like, there's no way. And not like forcefully. Not forcefully.
It just, that's how it happens.
Because my neighbor was asking me the same thing. He said, he's like, I need to sign on to your member site. He's like, well, what do I do if my wife doesn't want to get on board?
No.
I said, you just do the diet, eat with your wife. She will eventually see how massive your meals are and how much weight you're losing, and she'll just naturally jump on board. Now, Hannah, LJ's girlfriend, does not need to lose a pound. She looks great.
Oh, gosh.
But even so, and neither does LJ.
Mm-hmm.
LJ, you look friggin' shredded.
Yeah,
You've been doing a diet for...
For real.
And that's fine. That's completely fine, LJ. Like, she still likes her multiple meals. Like, Jenny actually prefers 2 meals.
I do too. I'd rather have 2 meals than 1. But with the time, and then like, it's just... Like, when life gets easier later down the road, I think I will have back to my 2 meals.
Jenny does 2 meals still if she fixes... If it fits her day, she does 2.
Yeah, but I mean, it hasn't really happened recently. But yeah, I have too long of a commute to go get back home and start cooking again all evening when I get home, you know?
And what's funny is you used to do how many?
Oh, wow.
4? 5?
Yeah.
What's up, the undressed chef?
Oh, hey.
You guys can check out the undressed chef if you like to see dad bods and friggin' balls.
Literally.
Parodies of other accounts. You recommended me to a few buddies at work? No, LJ. Well, first of all, you're welcome. Second of all, thank you for being a member. But you look super. You've shredded up since you've been doing it.
You can just tell.
Even Jenny has said you've gotten more shredded. She's like, yeah, LJ's really gotten shredded, huh? But that's what it's about. Like,
No.
you're enjoying food and you're like not even trying that hard.
Oh, why did I take the olives? I'm not a big fan of olives. Oh, Blake probably eat them.
You guys notice Jenny's taking the olives off?
No.
What's up, Christian?
Where's the pine salt? That's not from yesterday.
Everybody's been on the pine salt thing since.
Oh, comment?
Clean with the power of pine salt. You drink half of it and then you just pour the rest on the table and wipe it down. Oh, pine saw. You spent pine saw? It's pine soul. Andrea Chef kills you. Hey, he's doing a good job. He's doing a good job with what he did. He he gained 40 pounds deliberately to do a get fit to fat to fit thing. Look, he wants to build up a following.
Yeah.
So, he's dancing around the internet in a fucking thong. or not, or whatever. Putting in the work to build up a following. Because we're good, Christian. Because it's not that friggin' easy.
No.
It's not easy. You know what's easy? Losing 50 pounds is easy. You know what's hard? Losing 50 pounds while enjoying it and maintaining and keeping that off.
Yeah, maintaining or like not gaining it back is also key because people will lose the weight doing whatever bullshit diet and then it's like, oh, come
People
back up.
lose 50 pounds and gain 70 pounds every year. Because the biggest loser, okay?
Here's my popcorn.
Well, that may be one of the reasons, LJ. I also think it's just like progress over time. If you just do simple shit over time and you manage your nutrition right, you will build muscle and lose fat.
Why don't I ever drink while eating? I don't know, I'm just used to it. I never really do. I kind of hydrate beforehand.
Jenny's like a camel. She's like a female camel.
The sexiest female camel Blake has
Oh,
ever
yeah.
seen. I know.
And then she just wakes up in the morning and grabs my jug and just starts chugging like a champ. She's not a camel in the morning. So. Does the liquor give us more of an appetite?
No.
I don't think at all, really.
No, not really.
Our appetite starts when we start cooking or buy food.
Yeah. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about? You know what, it was so weird because all my girlfriends were having pizza yesterday. But I was at the bar, like, not even wanting pizza. It was so weird.
No, I'm right in Grace's face. I'm filming her eat pizza, but I was like, well, I'm having pizza tomorrow, so I don't have pizza right now.
Yeah, totally. Then they were like, you know how usually when someone's having something, like, oh, I want that right now, you know?
Yeah. What's up, AJ?
Oh, hey.
It makes it really easy to first the instant satisfaction thing when people like need to have it now. If I see somebody having some pizza, I don't want a slice of pizza. I want friggin' a pie of pizza or 2 pies of pizza or whatever it is.
Or just a bunch of slices stacked together.
Yeah.
Who did that? Was it on the stream?
If you check the Blake Diet hashtag, Casal did the Blake, he stacked a bunch of slices together. Anyway, I'll take a giant bite. But if I see somebody having something, I think about when I'm going to have that and how epic it's going to be. Not like, oh yeah, let me have like... You're doing pizza also right there?
Awesome.
Not like, let me have a bite of this. Let me have a slice of pizza, or even 2.
Does pineapple go on pizza? What kind of question is that? Of course it goes on pizza.
I say no.
I say, hell yes.
I say pineapple on pizza is a stretch.
I'm pineapple on
It
pizza.
can.
It's a blushing.
It can go on pizza. Some people love it,
I love it.
and that's just sweet. All it is sweet and savory pineapple on pizza. Does banana go on pizza?
It does.
No, it may. Like if pineapple goes on pizza, you have to question everything.
Only one that is like watermelon go on pizza. Watermelon really doesn't go on pizza.
We put sushi on pizza.
It's true. Oh, check out my pizza for tomorrow's post. It's gonna be awesome.
Oh, but my look.
Oh no.
A whole sheet pan of pizza? Yeah. Like if I see somebody eating a burger, it's like
Bacon
I want
and
to know what kind of
pineapple?
epic burger I'm gonna have, or
Big sausage pizza?
oh yeah, LJ says no.
LJ says no? Well, you know what
John
she
says big sausage pizza. He's being a little bit dirty.
Third time. You think that there's people that's either one or the other?
What?
Either you love pineapple on pizza or you just don't like it at all. No. Can't be.
Jamie did it too with Kathy. I think Kathy liked it, but Jamie didn't.
What, the pineapple?
Mm-hmm. I think more females, not all, but I think more females like pineapple on pizza than males.
I think that's a fair statement.
From my survey, my personal survey, more females like pineapple on pizza than males. Males do like it, but definitely more females.
I have to agree. I wonder why.
I wonder what that is.
Mm-hmm. Pineapple's not male.
Why you don't eat Arabia food, make it try. This always fucking happens. We just had fucking halal food last night. Like, every time we have something, like, within 24 hours to a week, somebody's like, why don't you ever do this food? Why don't you ever fucking look? Every time. It's like a law here. It's a law here. We just had 3 platters and 3 gyros halal last night. Now, if you say that's not real Arabian food, okay. Or real Arabic food, fine. But
Oh, you're fine.
it's like every time I do something, people are like, nope. AJ said, why don't you just join the Blake diet? Thank you, AJ. People don't even know what's going on in there. Like, everybody's like, so what do I get? They think they're like...
Not going over this thing, yeah.
Your video used to be like $24. Now I'm paying $30 a month for just one video? No, man.
We're not unfair people. And $24 is a cheap price.
Well, people don't read. First of all, people don't read.
That's true.
Second of all, yes, you still get that video broken down into segments. You get advanced tutorials. You get recipes.
The best part.
The best part, which I didn't see being the best part, is the private Facebook group where you get all your questions answered, which has become a ton of work for me. However, I'm doing it. I'm in there.
All your questions answered, and if you had a question that you didn't want to ask and someone else asked it, you see it.
And besides getting all your questions answered, you're in with a community of people who are doing the same diet, sharing their meals, their ingredients, their nutrients,
Their experiences.
their experiences. I mean, you still have my food library and my recipes and all that stuff.
What's up, Brazil? Hey.
There will be some soon, AJ. He said he's making shirts with the Blake diet to wear to the gym.
Ooh.
I'm waiting on some prototypes, but we're getting some soon too. So I gotta see how they work out. But I'm trying to get some merchandise for Black Friday. And unfortunately, the gun distributor, the arms distributor for condiment guns, took our money and never sent us friggin' the prototypes.
No
So,
way.
yeah, we're filing a dispute. We're filing a dispute and looking for guns from somewhere else. Unfortunately, it's never as easy as it seems.
Never.
Been trying to get these guns for like months.
Such an important part.
And then they just freaking go radio silent, don't respond. So, it's all coming. And I've been saying, I'm like, let's try to get this done for Black Friday. And my business partner has been thinking we could get it done before. And right now it's just like, oh man, if Black Friday's rolling up.
Yeah. Slowly approaching. It is not a one-time $30.
What was you asking? It is $30 a month, and with the amount of info on there now, if you sign on for a month, you can probably absorb all the info that's there now. And you will forget some. But, yeah, but. The second you cancel, you no longer have the private Facebook group. You no longer have access to the recipes, which are coming every week. You no longer have the updated tutorials, which you haven't seen yet.
The blog that you worked on.
So,
the tips, the daily
can you
tips.
learn can you learn the basic Blake diet in a month? If you pay close attention. Uncooked, AJ, uncooked. If you pay close attention, you can learn more than from the video in a month. Yeah, absolutely. And also, for $1 a friggin' day, for $1 a day, to be in a group of people doing the same diet where all your questions are answered, getting the recipes, getting the updated tutorials, which I'm actively spending a ton of time writing. In my personal opinion, because I'm the one putting the info out, and I know how much value is in it, it's silly not to do it. It's easy for you to say, it's your business, but like, I know what I put into it, and I know that my info is better than everyone else's and fits everyone's lifestyle better than everyone else's.
I have to agree. This was mine, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4?
Appreciate it, Christian. Everybody tells you how to do this, how to do intermittent fasting. Here's the thing. Or people will tell you how to fit alcohol into your diet, and they have like one glass of wine a week, or none. Don't even drink at all. People will tell you how to do intermittent fasting, and they make themselves miserable just to do eating videos on the internet to copy me. Like, I'm showing people how to like live life, enjoy life, do it the right way, and be able to have those fun times without just making yourself miserable. You don't want to be a hamster.
Right on the wheel. Cheers.
Yeah, you don't want to be a hamster stuck on a wheel. Cheers. Oh, I'm on.
Huh? Yeah.
Oh, I should turn this around. There, that looks better that way.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Working out is cool, but you gotta live life. You gotta be able to live life and enjoy it. And enjoy food.
Yeah.
Again, you have all these people telling you, oh, yeah. And people are complaining they don't see my gym post because I haven't been to the gym. Yeah, I ride my bike, but I haven't been to the gym. Yes, they will go buy coffee or stuff or soda every day, which is way more than $30. They'll spend $3 on coffee a day. They'll spend $90 a month on freaking coffee.
Yeah. What are the dumb things that I spend $30 on? I have to say, alcohol is definitely one of those dumb things that I spend more money on, like a lot. I'm gonna think what else monthly.
No. Think about, no, I'm saying a pack of gum a day is $1 a day. More than that.
Yeah.
If
water?
you think about...
You guys buy water? I bought water in New York like $5 a bottle. Can you believe that? Unreal.
No,
Anyways,
there's so many things which are
so
like...
many things that you pay like $30 for that. That gym membership that you never go to? Yeah, remember that?
the gym you don't go to, you probably pay $30 a month.
Yeah.
I had somebody quit the gym. He's like, dude, thank you so much. He's like, I was paying like $30 a month for the gym. And he's like, fuck that. Now, I'm not saying quit the gym.
If you pay for the gym and you don't go.
But if you are just going to the gym or just paying for your gym membership just to lose weight and you don't care about anything else, you don't really care about getting stronger or anything else, you just want to lose some weight, and that's your gym membership, I gotta say, he's right.
Yeah.
And I do advertise it as you don't need to work out to lose weight, so...
Which is a hard concept to kind of drill in someone's head, I believe. I feel like, oh, he eats all, but he works out.
It is. Because even my neighbor is like, but I need to work out then, right? I'm like, no. He's like, oh.
No need.
He was like so much more down with it when I was like, no, you don't need to work out. I was like, again, I recommend working out is great, but you don't need to lose weight.
I like working out. I like being active.
Like, yeah, you'll burn some more calories. There's a lot of benefits of working out.
Yeah.
You feel better after you work out.
Yeah.
Maybe not during.
Unless you're biking.
I will be back at the gym soon. When I'm back at the gym, you'll know if you check my story and or post. But right now...
It's going to go today, but it's kind of... You don't have time.
It's just been work. My life is like 90% work, 80% work.
Yeah. 1% Jenny. Guys.
1% Jenny.
Our relationship is taking a hit. I was telling Blake, I'm like, I talked to him for like 15 minutes during the week. I mean, guys, I'm not home sitting down and not doing nothing either, but still, you know?
That is true. I've been working really hard on my business, so.
No complaints. You know, just stating the facts, you know?
Unfortunately, our relationship. What's up, Jolene?
Hey.
And Jenny understands this. I just have to work my ass off as much as possible. So, and she's on a different schedule than me during the week.
Yeah. Way different.
It's one of the things I'm working on, though. It's one of the things I'm working on. There's a lot of things people waste $30 a month on.
Yeah.
And don't even realize it.
I'm trying to think, but I'm drawing a blank. Like,
there's things people waste $30 a day, like a day, not every day, but like, not every single day, but like, if you think about, you go out for a couple drinks.
Oh, I'm saying, oh my god, I spent a lot of money last night. As you can tell in the stream. But it's true.
But when it comes to your diet and your life, you're like, no.
Nah, $30, nah.
Right, paper?
No.
Can't tell if that was cheese or paper. I'm not taking a risk.
Ah.
Don't go out for one dinner a month. There's a recommendation. That's also a way to cut calories.
No.
That's not even like, if you don't go out for one dinner in a month, that's way more than $30 usually. I'm making these pizza fries tacos. I mean, one person, yes. I had some girl who was going out to $30 lunches during the day.
Me, I
She's like,
saved
"That's great."
so much money working in the city, New York City. I spend breakfast, lunch, coffee, $20 a day. Lunch is like a salad is like $15. Are you kidding me? For 3 leaves? Just
Salad is a ripoff, I do have to say.
ridiculous. And then you want to add guac to that?
In
too?
this country, salad is a ripoff.
Unreal.
Whenever we eat at restaurants, like as you see, we had a giant, not even lettuce, we just had giant veggies. That would have been like $1,000 if we ordered out of the restaurant. Which is why when we go to restaurants, you don't see us with. Sometimes we order salads, but like the veggies aren't that much. They put like a tomato or two.
Unreal.
Not even. Yeah, usually not even a whole tomato on a salad.
No. You're scared you'll get fat if you eat like us. So you don't get the diet.
You're scared you'll get fat. You're scared of carbs after dark. Well, if you're scared, then don't do it. Keep doing whatever it is that you're doing that. What's up, Thomas? And Thomas from a dollar meal. Thomas from Huggana.
Oh, hey!
A dollar meal at McDonald's every day. That's a good point, Thomas. That's a good point.
That is very clever.
Salads are a complete ripoff, and that's one thing that needs to change. Because you order like an $8 salad and it's got like half of a tomato and olive.
No. If you go to New York, there's the salad place Chopped. There's always a line on it. And it's like $15 for like this. Okay. Okay. Okay.
A Greek salad with feta. And if you add chicken, you want to add chicken?
Oh, you want some meat to that? $3.
Appreciate it. Yeah, so we usually buy our own salads, at least at home. Because pizza's way cheaper than salad.
You can get $1 slice, but you have to pay $15 for a salad. Can you guys sound pissed off about this?
No, it's very true. They say this is why our country is fat, but our country's also fat because of salads.
Yeah, that's true too.
Because people get salads with all the dressing.
Bunch of oil. Oh man.
Anyhow, we gotta go to sleep. We gotta be up really soon. 4, 5, 6.
Yeah.
Alright, we gotta go to sleep now.
Bye, guys.
Thank you all for joining.
Excuse me.
Hopefully my food baby goes down before the bike ride. I could suck it in.
Yeah, I can't, so I'm not even gonna try.
I could suck it in for a second and it's like,
I have a huge baby.
Do you?
Yeah.
Do you really?
Yeah.
Alright, you guys all have a good one. Thank you guys for
buddy,
jumping in. We will see you guys tomorrow. check my story. Check my story for our bike ride tomorrow. What's going on?
Bye, guys.
And later.
You know what? I freaking forgot this cheesecake.
Oh, Jenny forgot her cheesecake. She had. You want to show the Blake Diet group?
It's just a little piece. I think I'm gonna only have like one of these.
I haven't had cheesecake. Hold on.
Yeah. It's homemade. I'm like a fan of homemade cheesecake.
You know, I haven't had cheesecake since the 20K challenge. I haven't had cheese. If you guys saw my 20K challenge on YouTube, yeah, my hand's healing still from the bike ride.
Oh,
How is
pretty
it?
good.
Actually, I have had cheesecake once. I have once. I can't remember where.
Oh, it's moist, soft.
I didn't need it for.
I like it.
No, it's too soft. It's not cake.
Cheesecake.
It's not cheesecake.
What do you mean? Yes, it is.
It is. It is technically, but it doesn't. Cheesecake should be like. It should be thicker. I don't like the
Yeah, sure.
consistency.
I actually like the consistency, but it should be thicker.
I don't like the consistency. Whatever. Jenny's just gonna do this all night. So anyway, thank you guys for jumping in.
Bye, guys.
I will see you guys tomorrow. We will be streaming earlier. I will try to. Will we jump in here too? Yeah, we'll jump in here too.
Mm-hmm.
Absolutely.
Yeah, it should
So
be
you
fun.
guys can see the madness.
Yeah, the shenanigans.
Yeah,
It's gonna be fun.
we're gonna be with some funny people in the kitchen.
Mm-hmm.
But we'll see you guys tomorrow. Later, guys.
Bye.